Hello, I am Shaung Andrew, and you are joining me on this 3D Japanese story lesson. Let's begin the lesson. Welcome, Hajimemashite. Resu no Hajimemasho. Let's start. Today we will learn about the usage of desu, which is placed at the end of a sentence. For example, watashi wa gakusei desu means I am a student. Let's practice the use of desu with nouns. The basic structure is noun plus desu. Great job! Now let's explore how desu is used with adjectives. For example, Ookii desu means it is big. Wait, look at this. The scenery has changed. We can also say michi ga semai desu, which means the road is narrow. The adjectives Ookii and Semai are both I-Adjectives. We can use desu with I-Adjectives. The structure is adjective plus desu. Well done! Now let's learn how to use desu with Na-Adjectives. For instance, Kirei desu means it is clean. The atmosphere is so peaceful and quiet here. We can say heya ga shizuka desu, which means the room is quiet. For Na-Adjectives, you attach desu directly after the adjective. The structure is Na-Adjective plus desu. Remember that Kirei is a Na-Adjective despite having an I at the end. Look outside. Desu can also be used to talk about the weather. For example, ame desu means it is raining. We can use nouns to describe the weather. Yuki desu means it is snowing. You finished learning about all the basic parts of speech. Now let's move on to verbs and how we use masu instead of desu. Ikimasu means I go. Great work! Masu is used at the end of a sentence to express action. Shimasu means I do. Remember, desu is used for nouns and adjectives, while masu is used for verbs to express action. You've done an amazing job. I have provided some AI prompts for you to play with. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimashita.